Hello everybody, hello again and again. Okay, we said that we are gonna speak about Unit 9, which is all about matter, and we said matter is everything that around us. Anything that takes space, anything that has mass and volume, and anything that is around you. Yes, anything. And we said that also, of course, we have this matter has properties. Yes, that means that I can describe it. Everything around us is matter. So, whatever the thing is, it is made of matter, and all matter has properties. What are properties? Remember? Properties are some characteristics of matter that you can observe or measure. For observation, we easily use our five senses. What about measuring? What we are going to measure? Do you remember I told you that next time we will speak about two things that we have to measure? Yes. Remember the first one? It's mass. Mass and volume. Both of them you are going to measure them because they are the ones that we measure to know that it is matter or not matter. If it is matter, so it has of course mass and volume. So let's go first through the first one, which is mass. What is a mass? It's amount of matter that is the object has. That means, is it the thing? Is it heavy? I can move it easily. It has a lot of stuff inside it, or it is light and I can move it easily. So mass measures, or it is a measure of how it is hard to move the object. Like we said before, do you remember? Let's go again for the same videos that we watched the last time. Let's remember. Huh?
Well, according to science, matter is defined as everything that has weight and takes up space or has volume. I'm sure you are already aware of what
It is weight. It is mass. Now we are gonna see. Can you see ham? It is hard for hand to move it because it is mass is very big or small. Yeah, the mass is here is big. And as I told you the last time, we took mass before in measurement tools, if you remember. We take the mass and we take something that we can measure the mass with.
weight is just how heavy something is.
It is how heavy something is. It is easy to move or hard to move. That is the mass. Easy or hard to move, it depends on the mass or how heavy something is. And if you remember, we took that in mass, we measure it by some tools. Do you remember it? Yes? We measure the object, the mass of the object with? Yes, it is band balance. If you remember it, we took it the last term, and we said the main unit of the band balance is? Huh? Do you remember the centimeter? Is it a mile? No, it is. Yes, it is gram. Of course, I have to measure the mass or the weight with the band balance. So it is easy, and we took it before, and everything is clear, I think. So please, can you please open page 354? Yes. Here we are. Yes. How much mass? If you are with me in this page, so why is it so difficult to lift a bucket full of water for any kids? If you carry the bucket it's full of water, is it easy or hard to carry it? I think it will be a little bit hard because it has a mass inside it. The water inside the bucket has a mass. So as you are reading these 2 pages, find and underline the definition of mass. Then circle the name of the tool we use to measure it. So definition of the mass and the measurement tool. So the first of all, measurement is the amount of matter that the object has. Underline with me. Did you underline it? Mass also is a measure of how hard the thing is, or how hard it is. It is. It is to move an object. Sorry for that. So mass also measure of how hard it is to move something. Is it hard? Is it heavy to move it, or it is light and it is easy to move it? He means with it. So underline this with me because this is the definition. Okay? The more mass an object has, the harder it is. Of course, if you have 5 kilograms and 1 kilogram, and the mass is for 5 kilograms is harder to move. Okay, how can you measure this mass? If you have this part of, can you see this mass of science? How can I measure it? What can I use? Okay, let's turn the page and see. Yes, we'll use the band balance. Yes, we use a band balance. So circle please band balance for me, because this is the tool. Circle it for me. So we'll measure the mass with the band balance. And the main unit is gram. Yes. So he wanted you to make a simple mass problem here. He's telling you this bucket weight, or the mass of this bucket is 10 grams. Find the mass of the container alone. So this bucket is 10 gram by 10 gram here. 10 grams here, yes please. Then if I put now some sand on this, yes, it is. Can you now measure the weight, the mass? So the packet alone is 10 grams. So can you please find the mass of the content itself? It is 50 gram plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. All of them together are, yes, 85. Yes, this is 85 if you count them all. Now, can you find the content alone, the sand alone? Yes, it is the mass of the containers plus content minus mass of container. It will give me, so it is 85 minus 10 equals 75. It is easy. And I think we took it the last term and everyone knows it. Nothing is difficult for this lesson. And hope that you enjoyed the video. And next time, inshallah, we are going to speak about second thing that we measure about matter, which is volume. Wait for me, please. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you will get used of it.